Ever wonder how to add personality to a painting? How do you capture a subject's personality with paint? Well, first choose the right picture when painting from a reference, or set up the right pose when painting from life. The pose or expression itself should be a signature of the subject. This is Sadie, and her signature pose is the way she sits like a lady, leg folded and all. Another way to bring out a subject's personality is to focus on the facial features, especially the eyes. If you were to pick just one feature to bring out in a front-facing portrait like this one, I'd say keep the eyes sharp and in focus. Don't worry about the rest. As you may have noticed, I'm painting over a shaded pencil sketch. This not only helps me paint faster, but is also good practice in pencil drawing. The sketch doesn't have to be detailed, but I personally like it this way in case I feel like leaving a painting unfinished. To simplify color mixing and to maintain color harmony, I've limited my palette to 4 colors: yellow ochre, cadmium red medium, ivory black, and titanium white. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to mix a range of colors and create a cohesive look when you work with a limited palette. To prepare the paper in my sketchbook, I've done absolutely nothing. Because the paper is thick enough, I didn't have to add gesso. If the paper in your sketchbook is thin, I'd suggest you apply a layer or 2 of gesso, which is a primer that seals and stiffens the surface. It'll prevent thin paper from buckling under the weight of paint and water. And here's the completed portrait of Sadie in her signature ladylike pose. I hope you found this acrylic demo useful. There'll be a new one next week. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.